After 25 years, I've decided that I want to switch my dominant eye. And how I'm going to do that is use this little product right here called OffEye from Birchwood Casey. It's just a vinyl cling that goes on your safety glasses, and it's a gradient. So it blocks out the vision from your left eye. My left eye is my dominant eye. You've seen me shooting. Everybody asks the question, am I cross dominant? Yes, I am. So after all this time, I've decided that I want to try aiming with my right eye and shooting with my right hand. So we put the 80% screen on this lens, and using my Model 10 revolver equipped with laser ammo Sure Strike cartridges, I'm dry firing in my office right over there, both eyes open, and I'm hitting that switch plate with ease, aiming with my right eye. This is actually really kind of neat because I pick up the pistol, line up the sights, and I'm aiming with my right eye. Now this system includes different gradients. I started with 80, and then I can go down to, we've got 60 all the way down to 40, and then a couple of other ones on here. Anything that works for you, however you feel comfortable doing this. I just decided to start with the 80 and go that way. Now, I'm going to try to do this probably a couple of times a day for the next few weeks and see how quickly I can switch over my dominant eye and start shooting with my right eye. Then I'm going to be wondering if it ends up going back, if my eye dominance is so prolonged and for so long that it just forces me to work with a different system. So my intention is to work with this system from Birchwood Casey and see how quickly we can switch over to a new dominant eye. Let's keep this conversation going. Comment down below. Tell me how long you think this is going to take and if you think it's really going to work. I'm trying something new. I want to see how it works. Let me know what you think about it. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. And remember to subscribe to this page. We'll give you more great information every week. Hit that notifications bell up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video.